Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx. Today we're talking about the all-new and probably the baddest ass sled on the market right now, the Polaris Boost.
Yeah, this thing gets it. This has a little bit more juice. Top end is screaming.
Guys, with the 2022 to 2023 Polaris Boost models, whether they have the RMK or the VR1 version, we're going to be talking about the new exciting products that Speedwerx has for you. We're going to break this down to start off with our Exterminator Package. The Exterminator Package gives you two choices of mufflers. You have our stainless steel L2 muffler, which this is our light and loud muffler. If you don't want a loud muffler, do not get this muffler. And then we have our standard lightweight muffler, which has a much more reasonable trail-friendly sound levels. It's a fully baffled system. It's a little bit heavier. This unit saves you 8 pounds. The L2 saves you 10.9 pounds. And you can see the two differences in the pieces here in front of us. Both mufflers feature our new deep snow technology. What this is these holes down on the outlets. Basically, primarily for the mountain riders, when you get into that really deep snow and you're capping off or plugging off the exhaust side of the sled, and that snow wants to come up and pack the outlet of the muffler, this gives that exhaust a place to escape underneath the belly pan. So when you do pop back up out of the snow clears out, everything goes back to normal, and you're fine to ride. We call this our new anti-bog technology. And it's there to prevent that from happening. Basically, when you bury the sled under snow and grab a handful of throttle, you're not getting that bog or that hesitation, and the exhaust has somewhere to go and things can clean out nice and fast for you. Also included in this package is our Hypershift Clutch Kit. You have our H5 alloy primary spring, H5 alloy secondary spring, our new weights that we made just for these new boost sleds. This is a new weight we made for it. It's fully adjustable with set screws all the way through the body. The base weight on these is a 73 gram option, and you can add almost up to 10 grams of weight to it. But with our clutch kit, wherever your application is, wherever you're riding, your track length, all that, we're going to send it to you preset. So all you need to do is put it in, and 99% of the time, no adjustments are needed. And then it comes with our lightweight billet. Yes, billet, 6061 billet aluminum helix. Dual ramp option, the twin tracks option. So you have 2 helix angles for more adjustability if and when that's needed. And then it comes with our R2 rollers, which is it's an upgraded roller, and then it's a different size roller so we can go back to the twin track helixes as well. And last but not least, probably the most important part to it is our ECU programming. We have spent a lot of time. Our development team has been cranking and cranking and cranking, focusing on drivability, throttle response, overall performance, getting the peak horsepower number. You know, everybody's kind of claiming the same numbers, which is just fine. That's where it comes with the boost. That's the pretty easy part. But everything else as far as the drivability, throttle response, things like that, those are the areas we've really focused on to get that, to make them feel even better than just saying, okay, you got a plus 20, a plus 10, a plus 35 tune. There's more to it, way more to it than that. That's the simple, easy bread and butter stuff, but we've dove really deep into this programming and opened up a lot of channels that people don't even know are there, and spent a lot of time with this program, and I think everybody who gets this is going to be really happy. So we have a plus 10 horsepower tune, a plus 20 horsepower tune. For high elevation guys, those are premium pump gas maps. And then we have a plus 35 horsepower tune. That is a race gas or a race gas mix application, depending on your elevation. We can talk more about that if you guys got questions. And then the guys with the VR1, the low elevation stuff, there's still more work to be done there with that sled technically not being released yet. There's more information to come there. We did get some time on it last spring. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen those videos that we did. If not, scratch through the internet, you'll be able to see and find them, because there'll be more information come there. I don't know if those horsepower levels and stuff are going to change on that model to see what we're going to be offering there. But anyways, yeah, Speedwerx Exterminator Kit starts at $1722. You have your choice of the 2 mufflers, Hypershift Clutch Kit, ECU program, And then not pictured is our cold air vent kit, just to get some cold air running through the body panels, cool the clutches down, cool the intake temps down, just makes everything a lot happier. But yeah, that kit starts at $1722. If you guys got any questions, let us know.